Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? So guys, this is my updated video of my turmeric and Irish marsh with some coconut oil face mask. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright guys, now I'm gonna add about a little bit, this, maybe about half teaspoon. Let's put half. So about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're gonna put it in the blender. And now this is what left of my Irish marsh. I will link the video of how to make Irish marsh or sea moss in the description box. All right, I'm gonna use about maybe a tablespoon, a little bit more than that, so a good tablespoon. That will do. And we're gonna put it over here. Now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of coconut oil. And that's what I'm gonna use to mix everything together. You can use lavender oil, tea tree oil, but I choose to use this lemon citrus oil because lemon is good to clean your skin. And I want to clean my pores and, you know, make it smooth and nice. All right, I'm gonna put about 3 to 4 drops. And we're gonna cover this bad boy and we're just gonna give it a little mix. Now I have some containers here and this is it. This is my turmeric and Irish marsh or sea moss with a little bit of coconut oil and a little bit of lemon citrus oil. All right, now the second part, I'm gonna apply it on my face and then I'm gonna show you. Oh, this one I'm gonna store in the fridge for like a different day. You can get about 4 uses out of these 2 jars. All right guys, now I'm gonna apply this, my good stuff. Can you see it guys? It smells citrusy. Smell good. The turmeric and the citrus smells so good. Okay, see the consistency guys? What is wrong with you? You want it to have this consistency, like a pudding, puree. And I'm gonna use this about, I can get about 2 to 3 uses out of this. So I'm just gonna go straight in. And guys, the reason why I put the coconut oil in it, because the coconut oil will help to clean your skin, and also it won't let the turmeric stain your skin, okay? Because the turmeric stain, and turmeric also lighten your skin, so putting the oil kind of tone it down somewhat. And I'm gonna rub my neck. You see how my neck black? I'm gonna leave this about for 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, my face was stiff. I'm not gonna use no soap, okay guys, but you can go ahead and wash it off in the sink, but for the video purpose I'm just gonna use a clean disposable cloth, or you can use, well, better use disposable wipes or cloth, or you wash it in the sink because it might stain your towels or your rag. All right. I rinse it out and we're gonna go again. All right, so when you clean off everything now, guys, let me show you what I'm gonna use. I have this cedar and stone pure hemp and almond oil. With my Dove and my body oil, I'm gonna mix both together, half and half, maybe 2 pumps of this with a little bit of this, and I'm gonna moisturize my face. And I'm just gonna rub it together, and here goes. Rub your neck. Oh my goodness, look at that glow. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh, how soft it is. Oh my god. Oh, rub your hands. Can you see that? Oh, look at my nose. Oh my god. Rub your lips, your neck. Look at the glow on your baby. Look at the forehead, guys. Wow, lots of forehead. Stay blessed. Never give up on life. God is real, guys. Yes, He is. Bye, guys.